Today I invited someone to my squad that proved to be a thorn in my side for the rest of the match, and while he was technically now my teammate, he was the furthest thing from a team player. Buckle up because you're in for a wild adventure with me and my new friend, Guerrero.
Ultra One, an operator is requesting medical near your location.
Are we saving... My question is, are we saving the guy from the tower? Are we saving Guerrero? At this point, I had to make a decision. Do I invite him to the team and see what he's got? Or do I let him rot next to this dumpster where he probably belongs? We'll save Guerrero. Good fight, Guerrero.
Good fight, Guerrero.
Guerrero seems like a good guy. Okay, Guerrero does... Did Guerrero just abandon me? He jumped out.
Operator is near your location and requesting medical.
Are we getting this guy up? We need another vote from the viewers. Are we getting this guy up? Guerrero, do you think we res him? Guerrero, talk to me! Don't loot him! Are we getting him up or not? Alright. Guerrero makes the rules. You're in. Give him his sniper back.
That was good. Did I plate you on that?
Yeah, you did. Guerrero, give him his sniper back! God damn it, stop stealing shit! Give him his sniper back right now. No, not... And I don't want that! Give him the sniper back! Guerrero, so help me God! I'm gonna put you in the ocean if you don't give that man his sniper back! No, not the Fennec!
Y'all a team?
We were a team until this little incident. Guerrero, get in the truck. Get in the truck!